Top 10 ways to become TikTok famous. Have you ever wondered how to become TikTok famous? Because let's be honest, the app is pretty addictive, right? Hours can go by scrolling through TikTok, and it's filled with so many different types of content, some of it hilarious, some of it actually really useful. If you gain a large following on TikTok and become popular enough to become an influencer, you could even start earning money. The best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own student accommodation. All you need is a smartphone. But before you claim your fame and start signing autographs, let's take a look at our top 10 ways on how to become TikTok famous. Number 1. Post videos every day. If you want to be TikTok famous, you're going to really have to put in some graft to work with the algorithm. Say for example you record 3 TikToks a day, with hashtags, you're quite obviously going to reach more people than say one a week. The best part? TikTok doesn't punish users for posting so much, so you can lip sync to your heart's content. Think of it this way, the more videos you make, the more you're going to appear on different people's For You pages. Number 2. Record with audio or song. Let's be honest, whenever you've been on TikTok, you've had a few songs stuck in your head afterwards. Audio tracks really are at the heart of most TikTok videos, with most of them including lip syncing to popular songs. Take The Weeknd's Blinding Lights song, that absolutely blew up on Instagram. It is a banger though. So, if you're unsure of what content to post, play it safe with the audio or a song and you're good to go. Just make sure your transitions flow, you don't want it to look sketchy, it needs to be smooth. Number 3. Use trending hashtags. This one's a pretty obvious one, but still sometimes forgotten about nonetheless. Becoming TikTok famous can be down to the use of trending hashtags, they actually really do work. You might see a viral song appear on your feed with hashtags like #ShareOrPlaylist and #DanceChallenge. Of course, these hashtags are pretty unrelated to the song, but they're still vital to have, and get you a lot more views. All you need to do is keep your eye out for current trending hashtags, but that doesn't mean avoiding regular hashtags too. Number 4. Keep a consistent theme. The more consistent you are with your content, the more followers you're going to get. It's simple really. Users will follow you because your content aligns with their interests, so make sure you're always consistent. If you're a makeup lover or a fashion guru, always make sure the content you post is related to that. For those who love cooking, keep the foodie videos coming and you're bound to gain more followers daily. We're not telling you to completely stick to one theme, and you can mix it up at times, but try not to make a habit of it. Pick a theme that you love and stick to it, you're bound to see results, who knows, you might even become TikTok famous. Number 5. Be unique. Got a random idea for content that you haven't seen before? Go for it. Because being unique really is key to TikTok fame. Take user Shantib for example, her content consists of cute videos of her Indian ringneck parakeet Hamlet, and she has over 2 million followers. The best thing to do is show people something they haven't seen yet, and we know that sounds difficult, but be creative. Number 6. Video quality matters. It doesn't really matter if you haven't got the new iPhone 20 or whatever it is, as long as your audio and video is crisp. Uploading a video with poor quality may lead to unfollows, and people simply scrolling past your videos. We defo don't want that, especially if you want to become TikTok famous, so make sure the lighting and audio are 10/10. Make sure you're in a well-lit area, your transitions flow, and of course, your lip syncing fits with the time frame. All of these things may sound difficult at first, but with some practice, you'll be absolutely fine, we promise. Number 7. Create an original sound. Do you see yourself as a bit of a musician? Either that or just a generally creative person? If so, you could actually try and create your own original song to appear on TikTok, it might even go viral. A great example of this is the Bored in the House song. If you haven't heard it yet, have you been living under a rock? Created by TikTok user Curtis Roach, his song went viral within a few days, and is still being regularly used for content now. It doesn't have to be a song if you don't fancy singing though, you could create a funny piece of audio if you'd prefer. Number 8. Be wise with commenting. It's always a nice feeling leaving a comment on something that you genuinely like, and showing your support. But, did you know? Being wise with your commenting can actually go a really long way. When we say being wise, we basically mean commenting on popular videos, to bring more attention to your profile. If people like what they see, they're, of course, going to engage with your videos and maybe even give you a follow. It's the best of both worlds really, you're being kind, but also gaining a few extra cheeky followers, hurrah! Number 9. Share your TikToks. You don't have to just limit your TikToks to, TikTok. Why not share them on your different platforms? You could even share it onto your Instagram, where it will include your handle, and you'll hopefully gain some more followers. That girl you used to chat to at school might spot you, like your content, and give you a follow. Every little helps, folks. Number 10. Use popular filters and challenges. There's always new filters and different challenges floating around TikTok. In fact, there's probs a new one every day. Make sure you take note of that and hop on board with any current filter/challenges with your content. If you're using a new effect that not many people have seen yet, your video is bound to attract more attention, and that's what you want. There we go, folks, our top 10 ways to get TikTok famous. Of course, we're no experts, but we've done our best to find the best guidance and get you started on your TikTok journey. So, without further ado, brush up on your lip syncing skills and get ready to create the best content ever. That brings us to the end of this video. See you in the next one.